and tomorrow it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. 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 When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gives out a warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. 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 When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gives out a warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. 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 When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gives out a warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. It's alright. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess. And my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. 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 When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gets out of warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess. And my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. 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 When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gets out of warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess. And my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. 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 When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gets out of warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time.
Good morning, Grandma Middle School. Please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please pause for a moment of silence. The teachers, please conduct a full check of this.
When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gets out of warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess. And my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell.
Today is January 30th, 2019. I'm Emery Ballard.
And I'm Ava Vick, and you're watching Tiger TV. There are no birthdays today.
FCA will meet in the gym every other Wednesday morning from 7 to 7:15. All GBMS athletes are allowed to attend.
Anyone who would like to request a song to play on Tiger TV in the mornings, give Ms. Hyatt $3 to play your requested song 3 times. Must be a school-appropriate song.
Only 8 spots are left on the AR field trip. Turn in your forms as soon as possible.
The Sweetheart Dance will be held on February 8th from 6 to 9 in the gym. The dress code is church attire. Tickets will be available in the cafeteria February 4th for $10. Tickets will not be sold at the door.
First Priority will meet this Thursday in Ms. Bosage's room from 2:30 to 3:15. All GBMS students and faculty are invited to attend for food, fun, and fellowship.
Makeup pictures for the yearbook will be February 1st.
Today is Black Day.
Now a few words from Mr. Butler.
When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gets out of warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, 'cause I'm safe out the bill. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm safe out the bill.
Hey, good morning, Grand Bay Middle School. Real quick word about our ALICE training. You guys sat through ALICE training yesterday when we began to conduct the rollout for our students. Great questions yesterday. I seem to have the same questions over and over. They varied anywhere from what if there's more than one intruder to can we use the intruder's weapon against the intruder. What I'd ask you guys to do as we go through this, as we continue to implement and discuss, is focus on reality, focus on the realistic aspects of this. The main thrust of what we learned yesterday is the whole idea is to evade, to evacuate, get away. That's the main thrust of it. That's what you should be focused on. You want to make smart decisions in the extremely rare event that some man-made occurrence happen on this campus. Okay, we prepare for the weather events, so we're going to prepare for the man-made events and the rare event that they occur as well. Okay, and so one thing that will happen on tomorrow will be either tomorrow or Friday. You'll be viewing a video that kind of shows the real scenario. It shows some actors going through an ALICE scenario, and that'll kind of help illustrate what it looks like. I understand some of us may have a hard time understanding what this would look like in an actual situation. And so ahead of us practicing with students, you guys will get to see some other students doing it in a dramatization. And so throughout the remainder of this week, we'll be discussing ALICE during homeroom. And then starting on next week, as early as next week, we may start some of these practice runs, okay? Total separate note, began to notice some of our usual suspects exhibiting bad behavior. I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I realize that as the weather begins to warm up, we're going to start to see, some kind of less than stellar, less than ideal behavior among some of our students. Just know you'll be held to account for your behavior, your actions and words. You're accountable for those. We're not going to try to look for other reasons why we might behave badly or say things we're not supposed to say. You'll be held to account by myself, Mr. Peterson, and Ms. Bond. And so what I would encourage you to do is, again, every day show up, be respectful, respect yourself first of all. Don't act in ways that you wouldn't in front of your parents. And then also treat your fellow classmates with respect. All right, make this a good place to come to school, because truthfully, this is a great place to go to middle school. We are the best. We don't just talk it, we walk it here at Grand Bay. That said, I hope everybody has a great day. You guys pay attention in class, and of course, we'll be seeing you. Have a good day.
When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gets out of warning, I don't think test. I know I'm in